Hello. Uh, from this episode onwards, I'm going to take a little bit of diversion in the subjects, and I'm going to make them a little lighter for uh, for bringing some change. And from this episode onwards, for next maybe 7 8 episodes, I'm going to share some unique places that I visited in the last 10 15 years of my travel worldwide. And today's place is a very unique place that I'm going to tell you about. This is directly related to the phase that we are going through, which is Corona quarantine. And this place that I'm going to tell you is Sir Isaac Newton's home or birthplace in UK. This is in is called Wilsthorpe Manor. So I will tell you about it in this episode in a more detailed manner. Idea is to motivate you and to encourage you to visit such places whenever you get an opportunity to go into these countries and take a little off beaten path, like my thumbnail says, and take something off the road trips and see such unique places. So today's place is Sir Isaac Newton's birthplace. As the slide said, Newton discovered gravity while in quarantine, and that is the connection with Corona quarantine. I remembered about this particular aspect, and I thought, why not start with this place first? In 1665, there was a great plague, which epidemic which happened, and Cambridge University, where Newton had just got his BA degree, it got closed, so he could not pursue his studies further. So he came back to his birthplace in Grantham. Grantham is about 1.5 hour train journey from King's Cross, which is the main railway station in London, apart from Victoria Terminus. So you can take a train from King's Cross to Grantham, and this is not on any of the tour operators itineraries or travel standard trips. You have to really go on your own. And so when I decided to go there, I first went to Grantham, and from Grantham you have to take a either a bus. There is every 2 hour there is a bus which goes from Grantham station to Wilsrock Manor, and from the last bus stop you have to walk about half a kilometer to reach this place. So this is a little off track place, so only those who are keen to see just such places, they will find a way out. And so I went to Grantham, and I went to Newton's home. And it's a very old English style home. You will see now the main entrance to the home, and it is a well maintained, it's like a museum, and it was well maintained, well staffed, and all the it was all the exhibits were there of what all Newton during Newton's time, his whatever was available, they have made it, made a good display of everything that Newton had at that time. Now I will take you through the tour of the house. First, let us enter the house. There is a small door through which you enter the house, and there is a small tour. You see the ground floor, see the top floor, and then you come out. We'll take the small tour, and then I will take you outside, where which is a very unique thing to see. But first, let's go into the house.
나 이들릴래.
Okay, now we are entering Newton's house. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please mind your heads as you come
Oh,
through.
yes, thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome to.
Einstein, though.
This is the house of Newton.
Oh, it's very interesting.
Isacco Newtono.
He came to visit him in 1930. June the 6th.
Albert is
Albert Einstein.
I've never heard of him.
Just that one.
That's the tree, apple tree. This slide, what you saw, is the first line of the speech Newton made after getting the recognition for his discovery of gravity. He said that I am able to see far, far by standing on the shoulders of giants. It's an old quote in English literature, but basically what it means that there's a lot of work has been done, and I've only taken that work further. And it shows the humility and humbleness of Sir Isaac Newton. And during this time of quarantine, he not only discovered gravity, but he also wrote a very detailed theory of calculus, the modern calculus that what we use today. And this was discovered during quarantine. So quarantine can be used in a very positive manner, as we see now. Now I will take you, if you've seen the previous clip, in that clip I showed you the apple tree under which he sat, and supposedly when the apple fell, he got an idea about the gravity. I will take you to that apple tree, the Newton's apple tree, where he discovered the gravity. Let's go there. Today is 8th of April 2018. We are at Newton's home. This is Wilsthorpe Manor. This is where he was born, and this is the apple tree, the same apple tree where he discovered the gravity.
Yeah, it was just
真心是了无一切。आणि बघा,
म्हणून आता घे रे बैल, आय एम वॉकिंग अराउंड. आणि 1 मिनिट झालं की बंद कर. Hope you liked his house, and this will motivate you to plan a trip whenever you go to UK, either on your own or through some tour organizers. You can take a day off and make it a point to go and see this place. I will end this clip with another visual to highlight the point which I made just a while ago about how previous study is taken further by scientists. This is the comparison between Newton and Einstein about Newton's basis of gravity or the universe, and what is Einstein's basis of universe. This is just a visual to compare both the ideas, and this is just a point to ponder during quarantine of Corona. Just think about it, and I will share some more such unique places that I went, and more some unique things about them in the future episodes. Thank you.